Updated September 13 at 3:30 p.m. The Lasalle Barrydowne intersection has now been reopened, Greater Sudbury Police said in a tweet at 3:12 p.m. Updated September 13 at 1:30 p.m. A 22-year-old woman has died after an early morning collision in which she and another pedestrian were struck by a vehicle in New Sudbury. Shortly after 7:35 a.m. September 13, Greater Sudbury police officers were dispatched to a serious collision involving two pedestrians at the intersection of Lasalle Boulevard and Barrydowne Road. Upon arrival, officers located two pedestrians, a 22-year-old woman and a 31-year-old man, who had sustained serious injuries as a result of the collision. Both individuals were transported to hospital by City of Greater Sudbury Paramedic Services. Unfortunately, the woman was pronounced deceased at the hospital by medical professionals. The man remains in the hospital with serious injuries. The woman's name will not be released out of respect for her family's wishes. Greater Sudbury Police extended condolences to her family and friends. The 34-year-old man driving the vehicle involved in the collision has been charged with dangerous operation of a motor vehicle. The intersection of Lasalle Boulevard and Barrydowne Road remains closed at this time while officers are on scene. Members of Greater Sudbury Police's Traffic Management Unit and patrol operations remain on scene, as the investigation into the collision is ongoing.